Hello everyone, I welcome you all to my new beginner series of Power Apps. The series is dedicated to all my beginners. Before we get started, in this video I will give a little bit introduction on Power Platform. Let me try to understand you all what problem organizations across the globe are facing. We all know that all companies are following a traditional way by developing based on the requirement. For developing, we need a different languages. Like for front end, we need different language. For back end, we need a different language. Also, for days to complete this development, it may go up to like months or years. At the same time, cost will also be increasing. After development, there will be a testing team. Once the product is launched, we can't predict the result. It may have the high rate of success or not. So why Microsoft came with this? In every organization, business requirements will be changing. Also the cost, I already said, for development it may go up to a couple of months or years, and also the cost will also be increasing. Nowadays companies are moving toward agile development due to its flexibility and follow the traditional system like first they will plan, design, develop, test and release the product, and also they'll get the feedback of the product also, and also there will be a skill development efficiency also. For all these issues like there will be business requirements will be changing, cost, agile development, for all this it will take more time and the cost will also be more. For all this, Microsoft came with a solution for the organization. Like what? It provides organization with the opportunity to build their own solution through low code or no code solutions. They're giving a solution by providing Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, Power Virtual Agent, and Power Pages. Okay, what are these all solutions like Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI? Let me explain you with a simpler way. Power Apps. Users may, I can see easily they can create or build an app using this. Even if they don't know how to code, they can create easy to use application for their business requirement. These apps can run on any devices like web devices, iOS or Android devices also. For example, if you need to create an app for a leave application, the team members can fill out the form on their phone. After that, the data will be saved in the CDS. Let me see you about Power Automate now. Simple logic based interface, it allows users to automate typical activities for flows. For example, um, when the team member requests and leave, the automated request will be sent to a manager. If they approve that, if they approve or reject, again the notification will be sent back to the team members. I can say another example is like project deadline. We can create a flow for the team members when they're working on the project. So we can send an email notification for the team members when their project deadline is near. So you need to complete the project before this deadline. So we can send the email notification based on that. Next is Power BI. It helps us to create and rich data representation. So we can create interesting reports or dashboard using Power BI. Actually, dashboard help us to track sales, customer service, or any other aspect of business. Power Virtual Agents. We can easily build a chat box to engage conversationally with your customers and employees. Business can create effectively chat box with no code or low code experience. This chat box can respond to the question from the clients or other staff or other website visitors. It's a standalone application. For example, I can say the FAQs. So this is how the Power Platform help us to build the app easily with a no code or low code solution. Power BI help us to visualize the reports or dashboards. Power Automate help us to send the automatic emails. Virtual Agent help us to have a quick chat box also. So, why should we learn this Power Platform? We don't have to be a programmer to build solution or solve business problem. Using Power Platform easily we can build business application, website, dashboard, chat box, and also we can visualize the data easily. I hope this video helped in understanding the concept of Microsoft. I hope this video helped in understanding the concept of Microsoft Power Platform and its products. Thank you for watching.